Welcome back to Connolly Cove. Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey through one of Belgrade's most iconic and enchanting destinations, Knez Mihailova Street. Join us as we uncover the rich history, vibrant culture, and the undeniable charm of this historic thoroughfare. Knez Mihailova Street, named after Serbian Prince Mihailo Obrenović, boasts a history that stretches back centuries. Originally a caravan route in the Ottoman era, it has evolved into the bustling heart of Belgrade. Walking down this cobbled street, you'll be captivated by its architectural diversity. From neoclassical buildings to Art Nouveau facades, every step tells a story of the city's transformation over time. Shopaholics rejoice. Knez Mihailova is a shopper's paradise, featuring a myriad of boutiques, international brands, and souvenir shops. Whether you're into fashion, jewelry, or Serbian handicrafts, there's something here for everyone. Beyond shopping, the street is also a cultural hub. Explore the many galleries, museums, and theaters nestled along the way. Don't miss the chance to immerse yourself in Belgrade's vibrant arts scene. As you stroll along, you'll encounter talented street performers, adding a musical and artistic touch to your visit. And when you need a break, cozy cafes and restaurants beckon, offering a taste of Serbian cuisine and a chance to relax. Thanks for joining us on this tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.